Welcome to the National Institute of Academics. What is geopolitics? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of geopolitics. Geopolitics is a complex field that explores how geographic factors influence global politics and power dynamics. It shapes the way countries interact, form alliances, and compete on the world stage. Definition of geopolitics. Geopolitics combines the words geography and politics. Essentially, it's the study of how a country's geography, its location, natural resources, physical features, and climate affects its political behavior and relationships with other nations. Geopolitics seeks to understand how geographical factors impact political power and international relations. Key concepts in geopolitics. Geographical determinism. This concept suggests that a country's geography significantly determines its political and economic development. For instance, countries with access to the sea often become maritime powers, while landlocked nations may focus on land-based trade and alliances. Strategic locations. Certain areas of the world hold immense strategic value due to their geographical location. Examples include choke points like the Suez Canal and the Strait of Hormuz, which are critical for global trade and military strategy. Natural resources. The availability and control of natural resources, such as oil, gas, and minerals, play a crucial role in geopolitics. Countries rich in resources often wield significant influence and can become economic powerhouses. Borders and boundaries. Borders are not just physical lines on a map, but also represent political and cultural divides. The drawing and redrawing of borders can lead to conflicts and shape international relations. Historical context. Classical geopolitics. Early theories of geopolitics emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Notable figures include Alfred Thayer Mahan, who emphasized the importance of naval power, and Sir Halford Mackinder, who introduced the heartland theory, suggesting that control of Eastern Europe was key to global dominance. Cold War geopolitics. The Cold War period was a time of intense geopolitical rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. The world was divided into spheres of influence, and proxy wars were fought in various regions to expand or contain ideological dominance. Modern geopolitics. Globalization. In the 21st century, globalization has interconnected economies and cultures, making geopolitics even more complex. International trade, multinational corporations, and global communication networks all influence geopolitical strategies. Regional powers. Regional powers like China, India, and Brazil have emerged, challenging traditional geopolitical power structures. China's Belt and Road Initiative, for instance, aims to expand its influence through infrastructure projects across Asia, Europe, and Africa. Technological advancements. Technology, including cyber warfare and space exploration, has become a new frontier in geopolitics. Nations invest heavily in technology to gain strategic advantages in intelligence, defense, and economic competition. Geopolitical challenges today. Climate change. Climate change is a growing geopolitical concern. Rising sea levels, changing weather patterns, and resource scarcity can lead to conflicts over water, arable land, and migration. Terrorism and non-state actors. Non-state actors, such as terrorist groups and multinational corporations, play a significant role in modern geopolitics. They can influence national policies and international relations in ways that traditional state actors cannot. Great power rivalry. The rivalry between major powers, notably the United States, China, and Russia, continues to shape global politics. Trade wars, military buildups, and diplomatic strategies are all part of this ongoing competition.